Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Remember to watch the timestamps. I always forget to tell you before we start. So today we're going to focus about Bitcoin, GMT and MBOX. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has bounced nicely. Today it was slightly sideways action. The thing that is still concerning me is that while these past two times we had a very good volume rebounds, this time that we rebounded, the volume is still lacking. So that is something to pay attention for. Moving to the first coin, GMT. GMT is going very strong. So something that I will take notice is when I should stop my long entry. So if we examine a little bit the previous run, which is this one, we can clearly see that we had about 5 days of massive volume, and the price action and the volume will indicate us where the sellers are being more aggressive. So let's notice the first candle. It's a very bullish candle, full body, nearly no wick and good in size. The volume is this candle. Okay, while going up, the daily candles started to get shorter in size, and we can notice some wicks getting on the upside. That is telling us that the selling pressure is getting it's increasing while the price is moving to the upside. We can notice that the last bullish candle that started the retracement, which was this one, in fact had a slightly more volume than the previous one. What does that tell you? That tells you that the sellers are coming in. Why is that? You can notice that this candle is very small in body and has a high wick on the upside, while this one was very bullish, full body, no wick, but volume, although that price action was still a little bit higher. So that is your indication that the trend is going to reverse or moving sideways. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for a candle like this with high volume here. That will be my exit strategy, and of course I will assess the situation at that point, but for sure I will take 50% of my trade. So if we also take the Fibonacci extension level, we can have some levels that we may take in consideration. So for me, today is still a very good candle, although nearly half in size. That is worth of notice. But I think by tomorrow or the day after, we could easily reach maybe the $445 area before consolidating or retracing back. We can also notice that we have the first indication of bullish or bearish divergence. On the first tower, on the 1 hour chart, we have bearish divergence on the RSI. So that is price exhaustion. Moving on the second one, MBOX. MBOX did nothing today, to be exactly honest. Just sideways action, and we're still aiming for the neckline of this W pattern. And last but not least, APECOIN. APECOIN today made a massive push to the upside. Okay, if we zoom to the 6 hour, we can clearly see that we formed a symmetrical triangle, which today we broke, but there's still no volume coming in. So my prediction for this coin is that we're gonna do like the AVEX chart, which was this one. I think that we're gonna break, consolidate before going up, and ApeCoin could, if Bitcoin still persists with this sideways action, because I think in the today and tomorrow and maybe the day after, if volume doesn't increase, we're going sideways. I think that ApeCoin, given that this also is a resistance channel, will slightly slowly to this channel find support before going back up if of course Bitcoin goes up. So those are the two coins that today made some significant move, but going forward like usual on the other ones, I'm gonna going fast right now just for the sake of my subscribers. Maybe you made an entry. GLMR is still consolidating in the lower part of this channel, and we can notice that this part mimics this part of the fractal. So we're still watching the move for this upside momentum. AVEX did nothing today, but we're still holding the support, so my prediction is still going to this price area. UTX, we have a trade on it, and today pushed about 2.5%, so we're still going slowly to the upside, but we need more momentum. LRC, again today, of course yesterday we entered a long trade and we are small in profit. We're waiting for this price action to break here. Luna continued again on its trajectory to the upside, very small candle, only 2%, but it's still a bullish momentum slowly going to the upside. ZIL, it's nothing, it's only trading sideways. And SHIB also trading sideways in this pattern, waiting for this 138 daily consolidation, which if you missed the other video, I was saying that the previous consolidation was about 138 bars and 138 days, and if we measure from here till here, there is also 138 days until we reach the apex of this pattern. So that's something also worth of noting. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video.